Hey, what's going on, people? It's your boy Ike Ude here to give you guys a couple tips and tricks that I've been doing to heighten my video editing process. I'm a video creator, I'm a videographer. I use the Canon R5 and I video edit. I use the Mac Mini, but as you can see, I just subbed out my Mac Mini with the M1 processor for the Mac Mini with the M2 processor. This is a super strategic play for me because as a video editor, I'm always going to need a faster computer. And since Apple is doing their trade-ins, I was able to trade my Mac Mini with the M1 processor that I bought about roughly 3 to 4 years ago for around $600 to $700. I just traded that in for $350, and I upgraded to the M2 processor Mac Mini for just about $300, as well as Apple gave me a $100 gift card to use in store. So this is a bang for its buck. As you guys can see, I got my setup here, got my Mac Mini, got my 2 screens. I have a little Apple keyboard, and I have a crappy normal mouse. Shout out to Apple for that $100 gift card. I'm about to be using the Magic Mouse. I got it in black. It's coming in soon. It's going to be a lot easier to use than one of these conventional mouses. But outside of that, my tech is upgrading and my software is upgrading. And, you know, I'm doing this full time. I'm making the bulk of my money through video work. So the fact that I can upgrade every couple years for just about $300 and get a new computer that's going to be fast and speedy, do everything I need it to do at a quicker rate, it's going to be awesome to just continue to work with clients and continue my ventures as a content creator. So with that being said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's your boy Ike Ude here again. I'm going to be making another video very soon on that new mouse that I'm purchasing and how it eases my video editing process. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, guys, go ahead and do your trade-ins. Continue to thrive and continue to stay up to date with your hardware and your software for the cheapest cost. And with that being said, guys, thanks for watching. We out.